Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my washi tape collection. So I collect a lot of different types of washi tape. So these are some of the holiday themed ones that I got from Japan. It's really cute and I use it for Christmas and giving out gifts. So I also like to keep a lot of different styles so that I have a lot to choose from. This one I got from Design Festa. It's custom made by an artist and it's really cute because it highlights a lot of bookshelves and other things. I also have a Traveler's Factory washi tape. This one I got from the Traveler's Factory store in Nakameguro, Japan, and they also are available at the Narita airport. So I really love the travel themed look of this, which I use a lot in my journals and in my work. And this one I got from the Snoopy Museum. It was free. I think that was the first month that it opened, so it's really cute and it highlights the different facets of Snoopy's evolution. I also collect mostly art-themed washi tapes, and I also like a lot of teals. And speaking of art, I have a set of Van Gogh themed washi tape. So this is Starry Night and Almond Blossom. So I love Van Gogh's works. I also have Yayoi Kusama's washi tape. This was during her My Eternal Soul exhibit, which I think I got in either Japan or Singapore. I also love coffee, so I made sure to have at least one roll of washi tape that is about coffee. So I keep a lot because I use them for my journals, and this is one of the more interesting ones. This is a Band-Aid washi tape. So this means that it's not actually in one roll. You can separate all of the elements, and this one is a sunflower one because I love sunflowers. Really, it's my favorite, and also some assorted florals. I have a lot of washis and I try to segregate them by color. These ones are from Bando. It's a US brand and I really love what it says. So it says you're all the good things and you seriously can't lose. So I like putting this on my journals and planners to remind myself of all these pep talks and power words that I need to hear and see. I also have this very vintage style approach to most of my work. So here are some of the more label style washi tapes. That's it. I hope you enjoyed checking out my collection. See you on the next video.